Many times parents think the hardest part is putting in a protective style. And then when they get to the end of the style and they get ready to take it down, they're amazed that taking it down isn't as easy as it looks. Well, don't fret. Taking it down will not really be that much of a problem. The biggest thing to remember is that when you were putting in the style, you crossed over 3 strands to make a braid. So to take it down, you need to unweave those 3 strands. If you look closely in the video, you'll see this parent is using a rat tail comb and her fingernails. She kind of alternates between the two. Doesn't matter which one she's using. She's always putting them in between the 3 strands and gently and slowly unweaving them. So yeah, when you take down braids, it may take a little while. It won't take as long as it did to put in, but you still need to have some patience. If for some reason you're having a hard time with the braids or you feel like there's too many tangles and it's not coming out, try adding either a little conditioner or a little leave-in or a little oil to the braids. This will add slip and reduce the amount of friction the strands have between each other. The additional friction is sometimes caused by the accumulation of dust and products over time, or if the hair is too dry. So don't worry about using too much leave-in or too much conditioner or too much oil in this step, because right after you get done taking down the braids, you're probably going to shampoo anyway.